Namaste, I'm Dr. Jyoti Lakhani from Kolkata. I am founder and chief physician in Ayurhealing Panchkarma and Ayurvedic Clinic. Today we are going to talk about joint pains. Joint pains, which is very common these days. Joint pains is a condition where your joints, any joint in your body starts paining. It usually starts from knee joints, but then it involves other joints like spine or hip joint also. So basically is a painful condition where your joints are having pain and you're unable to move as normal as like other people. Joint pain basically it's a common term, and in Ayurveda basically it has been mentioned in two different forms. Either it is Amvat or Sandhivat. Basically again when we go when we find the description in Ayurveda, joint pain or any kind of pain is basically involvement of functional dosha in your body, which is Vata dosha. Either the movement of that dosha is obstructed by some toxins, which is like Am, and it causes pain in your body, that is Amvat, or there is some degenerative changes in your body because of aggravation of this Vata dosh. There is rukshata, there is dryness, there is wear and tear, there is inflammation and pain, and that is called as Sandhivat. So joints are connected with the circulation and movement in your body. So the main dosha which is involved in the pain is Vata dosha. But why this Vata dosha is causing any pain is since the involvement of other two doshas are equally in the disease, there is imbalance in the harmony of these three doshas. Either maybe because of your metabolism, again because metabolism is first and foremost thing which comes into the light when there is any disease formation in your body. So this is one kind of thing. Another is when your digestion is not good and you are taking over food, you are taking the food which is not good for your digestion, you are not taking food as per your digestive capacity, and you are taking food at the wrong time, sleeping in the day, and then plenty of other factors. What happens is the food which is to be digested and circulated to all over the body and gives nourishment to every cell of your body, instead of that proper digested food, there becomes the toxins which is called as Am, which moves all over the body and finds a weak point in your body like your joint, and then gets stuck over there, which obstructs the movement of Vata or circulation in your body. And then when that Vata tries to move, it causes pain in the person. So this is basically the pathoetiology of any kind of joint pain. So treatment part, it's very important to know that in modern science, the treatment again will be symptomatic. They will give you the painkiller, they will give you the anti-inflammatory medicines, they will give you some local balms or local painkillers like that. There are no like root treatment in allopathy, but since in a very severe condition one has to go, but Ayurveda has same treatment for any kind of severe condition or acute conditions. Ayurveda, we categorize the treatment into again three different parts. One is prevention, another is correcting your metabolism, and third is medicinal support. In particularly when we talk about Sandhivat and Amvat, the symptoms are little different. So in Sandhivat, the pain will be constant. The pain will be like of a wear and tear, where you're not able to bear the train, and it triggers when you walk more or when you work more. And in the Amvat, it is like more of a stiffness kind. The swelling will be there, inflammation will be there, more inflammation in the early morning. That is the typical sign you can diagnose yourself that you are having rheumatoid arthritis or you are having osteoarthritis. In osteoarthritis, there are degenerative changes. In rheumatoid arthritis, there is formation of arm in that particular joint. So by giving a combination therapy of diet, Shodhanam means some Panchkarma therapies, and some Purva Karma also helps in acute condition, like we do Agni Karma. Agni Karma also helps a lot in acute pain, and by taking 2 or 3 sitting, I have seen that people have recovered very well. They have relieved a lot from the pain, and along with that we go for some medicinal support with diet and workout when your body is able to help you for doing workout. But in rheumatoid arthritis, we recommend to go for workout and diet since it has connection with your metabolism. Depending upon the particular painful condition, we recommend few exercises which also relieves pain and which also improves the movement of that particular joint. Yoga has like a great role in treating this. Yoga and meditation, since psychologically we all are affected and most of the diseases are psychosomatic, I always recommend go for some meditation which helps you in relieving pain also and in bringing some peace inside you. Along with this, dietary support always works. So by this combination therapy, I think you can always come out of your joint disorders. Ayurveda has very good therapies. Go and meet your Ayurvedic doctors nearby. Whatever you do, take always a consultation and then continue. Then also you will find the results. Otherwise, don't take Ayurveda as your home remedy. It is not. It is a scientific way of treating yourself. So treat it that way. Click on the link given in the description for more Ayurvedic content, and for more Ayurvedic hacks, keep watching me with Live Ayur. Thank you.